today I'll be showing you how you can create a ChatGPT account for free. Now, if you haven't already watched my video on how to give ChatGPT the best prompts for the answer which you are looking for, you can go ahead and search that up after you've seen this. So you search up openai.com. Now you click on enter. So now when you're on this area, you're gonna receive this nice clean aesthetic view of the website. So what you can do is you can click on learn more, and for now it's not there on the Mac OS system which I am on, but you can download it if you want. So now what you can do is you can go to the area called products. Now from here you can click on ChatGPT for Teams, for everyone, for education, for this, for that. So now what you can do is you have to click on ChatGPT login. Okay, so now when you've clicked on login, you will be taken to this page. It says ChatGPT 4o mini, plan a trip. So now it's going to basically give you an idea of what it is. So it's a AI chatbot which will give you answers tailored to your prompt. Let's say you can tell it that, can you give me some cat breeds which are usually orange-ish in color. So now it's going to tell you, such as the Maine Coon or the American Shorthair, British Shorthair. So it's going to give you all of these examples with a bunch of explanations, so you don't have to go ahead and search it up on Google. Now without further ado, you have to click on sign up. So now when you click on sign up, it's going to take you to this page. You have to put your email address over here. So now once you've put your email address, you have to click on continue. Now you have to put your password. So now it tells you that your password must contain at least 12 characters, which I have put. Now you click on continue. So now you're gonna go to a page called verify your email. So it's going to tell you that sent a mail to your Gmail, so it can make sure that it's really you. You're gonna click on open Gmail. So now it's going to show you this, verify your email address, and then you have to click on this button right here. Now it says your email has been verified, but you are no longer authenticated. Please return the device to where you began sign up and refresh the page, or log in on this device and continue. So now you have to go back to the tab in which you were there. Now you have to refresh it. And now you have to put your name and your birthday. So now when you've done all of this and you click on agree, it's going to give you your account right here. So over here you can ask it anything and it will give you some tips. Now you can ask it any questions. Let's say create a Renaissance style painting or superhero shark story, explain superconductors. So let's click on explain superconductors. Now it's asked us a question. Now it gives you like as if you're a 5-year-old, so it's gonna give you an answer like that. Imagine you have a toy train that runs on a track. Usually when the train moves, it needs to use some of its energy to push against the track. So now in this way it's using examples such as a toy train. Now this is something which is usually used by a 5-year-old so that they can play or they can do anything else. So now if you want to learn how to give ChatGPT good prompts, you can either learn from ChatGPT itself or you can go ahead and watch my video. Thank you, and I hope you learned something new in this video and I've helped you out in creating your first ChatGPT account.